What's up, guys? Welcome back to Boost Brothers Garage. Today we are going to be installing that massive carbon fiber wing on our 944 race car. Stay tuned. As you guys saw in the last video, that wing was a complete nightmare to refinish. But I was persistent and I got it knocked out, and really it turned out pretty good. Check it out. So here we have the finished product. I ended up switching to a matte clear, and that helped hide some of the small blemishes we still had after I sanded it and painted it for the 7th time. But yeah, it turned out really good. I got the end plates all made up out of carbon. Those have been matte cleared as well. And the brackets are all painted and done. All that's left to do now is get it bolted to the car and see if it looks ridiculous or badass. Either way, it doesn't really matter as long as we see a reduction in lap times. Moment of truth. I can't believe that just happened. Can you believe that just happened? I don't even know what to say. I think I may have to rebuild that end plate. This is the wing from hell. I'm just gonna keep going. So right now I'm going to measure and make sure that the wing is the same distance on both sides, and then mark these holes. Here comes the scary part. Drill bit broke. This wing hates me. Broke another one. Drill pilot holes, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Alright, now it's time to bolt this bracket on. We've already done the other side. It sucked. Hopefully this side goes a little easier. Turns out this side was a little easier. Now that these are on and sturdy, let's throw that wing element on and see if all this was worth it. There it is, one complete race wing installation. We're obviously going to have to play with the angle of attack, do some experimenting on the track, and with all this rear downforce now, before we do our April event, we're going to have to develop a front splitter for the car as well, so stay tuned for that. All in all, considering all the trouble we had, I'm pretty pleased with it. It's big, definitely wider than the car. She is large and in charge. Alright, there's our first completed project of 2019. It's exciting to see it finally happen based off all the issues we had with this wing. We've obviously got a lot of stuff to come in 2019. We're really excited. We're going to be continuing the turbo Cayman build. We're going to be continuing the wide body 944 build. We're going to be engine swapping this car, helping to develop a kit with 9X Engineering. It's going to have a 5-cylinder Volkswagen engine in it, and we're going to do before and after testing, both naturally aspirated and turbo, so that's going to be a lot of fun. Got a lot of other things coming too, so yeah, stay tuned. We had a great 2018. We can't thank you enough. We look forward to continuing on this year. See you next time.